Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Tuesday the 27th of September. And today was a day where the market gapped up and just stayed pretty much up to sideways the rest of the day. We had 5 trades, all of them winners. Maximum profit potential, we hit 24 and a quarter points or 97 ticks. Actual trades made in the room, entries and exits, we made 32 and 3/4 points or 131 ticks. Definitely not too bad for 2.5 hours worth of work. The website I'd like to encourage everyone to check out is www.businesswithtrading.com. Like I say, stop by, check it out. It may or may not be for you. Trading is not for everyone, and my style of trading is definitely not for every trader. But do check it out. I do have a contact form in the upper right hand side. Take advantage of that. A lot of people like to ask questions or just send comments. Get to know me a little bit. I get to know you. I like meeting other traders. You may not like my room, but maybe you're interesting. I meet a lot of cool people, so don't hesitate to send me out a question. There's no such thing as a dumb question, just the one that's not been asked. If you don't know, it's obviously a intelligent question because you don't know. You want to find the answer. That makes perfect sense. But anyway, I do focus on the S&P 500 futures market, do an analysis before the room opens, showing my charts during the room, and an analysis after I close the room. And it's definitely been a lot of fun, meeting other people who are passionate about trading, and it's been awesome. But anyway, let's get to the trades that we actually did take in the room. We did take a long right here. We were able to exit for a little bit of profit before the market did come back. We hit up another long in this area here. We were able to take a little bit of profits, and then we were able to get long down here, which we were able to ride up for a little bit, and then we were able to grab a pretty decent short here and ride that down, and then we kind of watched the market a little bit. We did grab a little long around this area here, and we were able to ride that up a little bit, and then we pretty much just watched the market move the we grabbed the short around here is what we did, and then we were able to ride that short down a little bit. So that's what we did. It was definitely a lot of fun. This last trade did last a little while. Most of the other ones were pretty quick, but it happens, and 32 points is definitely nothing to scoff at. If you're looking at $50 per point, you're looking at $500 every 10 points. So we'll round it down and say 30 even. You're looking at $1,500 in 2.5 hours worth of time. So definitely nothing to scoff at. But that's definitely the potential of what can be done. And we definitely did have an awesome day today. But anyway, I'd like to encourage everyone, if you do enjoy this video you're watching right now, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way, guys. And everyone have an awesome night, and I'll see you in the morning. Thanks.